Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today, this is my habitat find for today. This is a 44 inch or 42, I think. Let me know in the comments. Harbor Breeze Mayfield ceiling fan. Um, I know some of you guys hate Harbor Breezes, but I do like this fan, and I'm planning on keeping it. This is a fast fan for its size. When I first looked at it, I thought it was like a 52 inch. I'm like, wait a minute, it isn't. It's like a 44 or 42. One of the two. But yeah, the thing looks brand new. And I will do a separate video without the white kit. That'll be a separate video, not a whole full video. And like I said, I do like this fan. I do like Harbor Breezes. All Harbor Breezes. I do like all Harbor Breezes, but some Harbor Breezes suck. But this one, no, this one is good. Anyway, we'll start you off with the light. And it is a brushed nickel fan, so it's going to be reversible to cherry to oak. Very nice finish, on my opinion. Start you off on low. My dad's friend, he has a Harbor Breeze Mayfield. It's in white, so white is like a classic-y style. I do like white finishes, but they're just like too classic. But brushed nickel or rub bronze, whatever else or it's out there, I do like. I do like white, but it's like a classic-y style. And this fan is fast and powerful. All Harbor Breeze, in my opinion, they blow good air. Some of you guys say they don't blow good air, but hey, that's okay. That's your opinion, and I will understand your opinion. Not like other people that get highly offended by it. And this fan does wobble on high, just to let you know. It wobbles like heck on high. And yeah, we'll do a spin down, then I'll demonstrate it from reverse. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite Harbor Breeze. My favorite Harbor Breeze... Oh man, I have tons of them, but the White Star is one of them. The White Star is my favorite Harbor Breeze. And then the classic style Mayfields. Any Harbor Breeze fan out there I like. Here's the light. And it did not come with light bulbs. I'm just borrowing light bulbs from my other fan. There are 2 in there instead of 3. Alright, here's high. This is where it gets a little out of control. Well, when it gets up to speed, it'll get out of hand. Yeah, when I make a video, you don't act up at all, do you? Yeah, just give it a little time, it'll act up. But I did test this fan off camera, and it wobbled like crazy. But now when I make a video, it wants to behave for you guys, so it doesn't make a big fool out of itself. Anyway, here's high again. Oh, there it goes. As soon as I hit the light chain, now it wants to make a fool out of itself. Yeah, now you want to make a big fool out of yourself. Alright, let's do spin down. So how's your guys' day going so far? My day was pretty good. There was a Harbor Breeze crosswinds, and there was this one, and I really want to get two of the. I want to get this one and the crosswinds, but I ran out of money, and I'm like, well, why don't we just get one of the Harbor Breezes, and then when I go back to the restore, I hope that crosswinds is still there. Oh, in my opinion, I think Harbor Breezes have good lifetime bearings. Like it'll take forever the bearings to start season up. And the Harbor Breeze outdoor fans, they have really good bearings. In my opinion, this is my opinion. Alright, this is the video of the 44 or 42 inch Harbor Breeze Mayfield, and I will see you on the next video.